Welcome to today's video where we explore the most powerful investment tools for beginners in 2026, especially selected to help you grow your wealth with confidence, clarity, and minimum risk. Whether you're completely new to investing or someone trying to restart your financial journey, these tools will make your path easier, faster, and safer. In this video, we break down beginner-friendly platforms that offer smart automation, low fees, low-risk portfolios, high return potential, and stress-free money management. Each tool has been tested and trusted by millions, making them perfect for anyone who wants to start building wealth in a simple and organized way. So grab your notebook, stay till the end, and let's jump into the list of the best investment tools every beginner should use in 2026. Robo-advisors, smart automated investing. Robo-advisors are digital investing platforms that use artificial intelligence, data science, and algorithms to automatically choose, manage, and rebalance your investments. They remove the stress of researching stocks, adjusting portfolios, or timing the market. The system handles everything in the background. These tools are ideal for people who want to invest consistently but don't have the knowledge or time to study markets daily. Best robo-advisor tools in 2026. Betterment offers automated portfolios built for long-term growth, with tools like tax loss harvesting, automatic rebalancing, and goal tracking. Great for stress-free investing. Wealthfront provides advanced features like personalized financial planning, tax-saving strategies, and low-fee diversified portfolios backed by strong technology. Sophie Automated Investing charges zero management fees, includes free access to financial advisors, and offers stable, beginner-friendly portfolios. Acorns, perfect for beginners who don't have a lot of money. It automatically invests your spare change every time you make a purchase. Why they are great for beginners: you don't need prior knowledge, the system builds a diversified, low-risk portfolio for you. They rebalance investments automatically so your risk level stays stable even when markets move. The fees are low, the process is simple, and you get professional-style investment management for a tiny fraction of the cost. Best for people who want hands-off investing that grows quietly over time. Index fund and AMP, ETF investment platforms. Index funds and ETFs provide instant diversification, spreading your money across hundreds of companies and reducing the risk of losing everything on a single stock. Historically, index funds outperform the majority of actively managed funds, making them the smartest long-term investment for beginners. They grow steadily over time and are considered one of the safest ways to build wealth. Best platforms in 2026. Vanguard, popular for its extremely low-cost index funds, long-term focus, and trusted investment model. Fidelity offers zero-fee index funds, making it incredibly affordable for beginners starting small. Charles Schwab, known for reliability, simple app features, and low minimum investment requirements. Robinhood allows free trading with a clean interface and instant deposits for quick investing. M1 Finance lets you create custom portfolios and automates everything, making long-term investing easy. Benefits helps you build wealth steadily with lower risk than individual stocks. Perfect for retirement investing, long-term wealth building, and stable annual returns. Requires very little knowledge, just choose an index fund, invest consistently, and let it grow. High-yield savings accounts, SAFE and AMP, steady growth. A high-yield savings account is the safest place to store emergency funds or short-term savings while earning significantly more interest than regular banks. These accounts are FDIC insured, meaning your money is fully protected up to a legal limit even if the bank fails. They provide peace of mind while growing your savings slowly but safely. Top options in 2026. Discover Online Savings, easy to use, reliable, with strong interest rates. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, known for high APY, zero fees, and quick transfers. Ali Bank, very user-friendly with competitive interest rates and easy setup. Sophie Checking and AMP, Savings, offers some of the highest interest rates along with rewards and no-fee banking. Benefits earn between 4% and 5% APY, helping your money grow even while sitting in the bank. Instant access to funds, great for emergencies or backup plans. Safe, secure, and perfect for storing money before moving into long-term investments. Fractional share investment apps. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of an expensive stock rather than a full share, making big companies like Amazon, Tesla, and Google affordable for beginners. This helps new investors diversify even with very small amounts of money like $5 or $10. Best apps in 2026. Robinhood provides instant buying power, easy fractional trading, and zero commission fees. Cash App investing, simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for micro-investing. Public adds a social element, allowing you to learn from other investors while buying fractional shares. M1 Finance automates fractional investing by letting you choose what percentage of your portfolio goes where. Benefits makes investing accessible for beginners with low budgets. Allows you to build a diverse portfolio without needing thousands of dollars. Helps you own pieces of top companies, strengthening long-term growth potential. Real estate crowdfunding tools, low-cost property investing. Instead of buying a full property, you can invest small amounts into real estate projects and earn returns from rent or property value growth. These platforms handle everything: property management, rent collection, project selection, making real estate investing simple and passive. Best platforms in 2026. Fundrise, designed specifically for beginners, offering stable long-term real estate investment portfolios. Realty Mogul gives access to commercial buildings and larger projects. CrowdStreet focuses on premium real estate deals with higher potential returns. Benefits requires as little as $10 to $100 to start investing in property. Generates passive income without dealing with tenants, maintenance, or loans. Great for building long-term wealth through property without the high cost. Stock market simulators learn before investing real money. Beginners can practice buying, selling, and managing investments without risking any real money. Simulators help you understand market movement, emotional control, and investment strategies. Great for building confidence before entering the real market. Best tools in 2026. Investopedia Simulator, realistic market environment with educational resources. TradingView Paper Trading offers real-time charts and analytics for professional practice. Webull Paper Trading gives free virtual funds and realistic trading experience. Benefits: reduces risk by helping you learn before investing real cash. Improves decision-making and teaches you how markets react. Best for complete beginners who want to build skills safely. Investment Tracking and AMP Portfolio App. These apps help you track all your investments in one place, giving you a clear picture of your financial progress. They show performance, profits, risks, and asset allocation. Helps you stay organized and make better financial decisions. Best tools in 2026. Personal Capital, great for tracking net worth, investments, and retirement plans. Mint combines budgeting with investment tracking. Kubera, premium solution for tracking assets across multiple platforms. Yahoo Finance Portfolio Tracker, simple, free tool for beginners. Benefits: helps you understand how your money is growing. Makes it easier to manage long-term goals like retirement or property purchase. Great for identifying weaknesses in your portfolio. Cryptocurrency investment tools. Crypto continues to grow globally, offering high return potential if invested wisely. It's ideal for adding a small percentage to your portfolio for diversification. Many beginners use crypto apps to learn modern finance and blockchain technology. Best crypto apps. Coinbase, simple, secure, strong security. Binance US provides many assets with low trading costs. Ledger Wallet, the safest hardware wallet for long-term storage. Benefits: allows exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and trending coins. Provides potential for high long-term returns. Helps you diversify your portfolio beyond traditional assets. AI-powered investment research tools. AI helps you research faster, analyze stocks more accurately, and make data-driven decisions. Cuts down hours of reading, studying charts, or tracking financial news. Ideal for beginners who want smart insights without overwhelming themselves. Best AI tools in 2026. ChatGPT Finance Tools helps analyze stocks, trends, and investment ideas. Morningstar AI delivers top-rated research and deep financial insights. Zacks AI provides stock ratings, predictions, and alerts. Seeking Alpha AI offers premium market analysis in simple summaries. Benefits gives instant access to expert-level research. Helps you invest smarter with more confidence. Saves time and reduces emotional decision-making. Budgeting and AMP, financial planning apps. Investing without a budget leads to overspending and financial stress. These tools help you track income, expenses, and savings goals. Strong budgeting allows you to invest more consistently. Best apps in 2026. YNAB, you need a budget, helps you control spending and maximize savings. Mint, tracks expenses, investments, and savings in one app. Pocket Guard, shows how much money you can safely spend. Good Budget, uses the envelope system to manage your money clearly. Benefits builds strong financial discipline and reduces money waste. Helps you plan future investments and financial goals. Makes your financial life organized and stress-free. These were the 10 best investment tools for beginners in 2025, offering low-risk, high-return pathways for building wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and let smart tools guide your journey toward financial freedom. Investing early is the key to long-term success, so take action today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial education videos.